Yeah, so it's all about the smart workplaces and smart technologies, right?
Absolutely. For Aruba, we're looking really closely at a key trend within the marketplace around the mobile generation, or Gen Mobile. This class of users really looking for mobility, to connect mobile devices, all different types of technology to really be more productive. That's to say, blending professional lives with personal lives and bringing that into the workplace. So for us, it's about delivering the technologies that enable that, allow employees to be more productive, more innovative, and ultimately we believe that's going to drive continual growth within the marketplace.
So when it comes to like combining the personal life and the professional life, and you're concentrating on the next gen customers, so at GITEX, which kind of customers are you meeting more? Is it all the youth generations, or are you also meeting C-level executives and everything?
Yeah, GITEX is great because it actually is a forum that allows us to mix both really kind of more technical folks who are after kind of specifics around products, and then also IT leaders that are looking for some of the key trends and how IT matches into their business prerogatives. So really we see a mix of both, and for that reason actually it's quite valuable for us to be here.
And what is your expectations from this GITEX?
Well, our expectations of this show are really certainly to build greater awareness within the community here, certainly across the Middle East, around the strength of the Aruba portfolio, what we bring to market, of course, to always connect with our trusted partners and our trusted customers, and then of course to build new customers.
You see, when we talk about mobility, obviously the newer organizations that are coming up, they are definitely aware of the mobile trends. But what about these traditional enterprises? Are they really opening up to this mobility trends, or they're still skeptical about it?
Yeah, absolutely. We see a lot of certainly kind of innovative companies that have deployed wireless and mobile technologies for quite some time. And those are certainly, a large number of those are really great Aruba customers. But it is interesting what we're seeing in the marketplace today. So key trends, again, driven by this concept of Gen Mobile, this mobile generation coming into these organizations, they are increasingly being forced to respond in many respects to the demands that these employees bring. That is to say, provide them with the ability to use their own personal mobile devices at work, to do so securely and within the control parameters that the enterprise really needs. So we are actually now seeing a scenario where mobility is top of mind for CIOs across all different types of industries, not just within education, but also in industries like financial services, insurance, and others that have traditionally maybe been a little bit slower to adopt mobile technologies.
So like when it comes, because Dubai is now trying to be the smart city by 2020, so they have many plans coming up. So do you have some kind of collaborations with the government, or what kind of support you have?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, smart cities is a key initiative for us as a company.
Yes.
So first of all, we deliver solutions that go both indoor and outdoor. So obviously extending wireless coverage both into municipal environments in an outdoor way, and also bringing those into large public venues on the inside or indoor types of deployments. So we view that as kind of a key element to allowing organizations and to allowing really whole communities to develop towards using digital information and communications. So again, mobility is going to be at the front and center of any smart city initiative, and Aruba is very well positioned to work and help drive that initiative.
So now, since mobility is the latest trend in the enterprise industry, so what kind of expansion plans you have for this region, Middle East and Africa?
Yeah, it's great. I mean, the Middle East is a key region for us. It's a key investment priority for the company. We continue to grow the team here within the region, as well as continue to grow our list of partners. Aruba does work with a host of a large number of partners across the Middle East, certainly in GCC and other regions as well. So we continue to build both of our staff internally, our employees, both technical, sales, management, as well as, and of course, bringing on larger partners and building really the Aruba family.
So are there particular type of partners you're looking for in this region?
So we have a couple of initiatives actually. We have certainly initiatives at the high end which allow us to go after the very large enterprise accounts. So very kind of system integrator type of oriented partners that have the ability to bring in and mix solutions together. And that's key for our strategy at the high end of the market. But also, we've just embarked on a new strategy around the low end of the market, so the SME market as well. We have some great solutions that are really right-sized for that low-end customer. So looking at partners who have the ability to reach broadly, widely into more of the SMB market, that's a key growth strategy for the company.
So GITEX so far, has it been more of a visibility increasing exercise, or are you also getting ROI when it comes to making new partners and building new associations?
Yeah, we track our ROI very closely for any marketing investment that we make. And actually in the previous years, we have demonstrated really strong ROI in terms of the business building potential that being here at GITEX provides us. So I expect this year will be the same. Certainly we are meeting existing partners, but we also see a lot of new partners coming to us at the booth, asking for information about our solutions. They've heard about us, they know the strength of the product, and certainly the demand within the marketplace around mobility. So I think that bodes pretty well for our efforts to really expand the partner base here in the region.
So what is Aruba's punchline for this event?
Well, our punchline is always people move, networks must follow.